Hey, welcome back everyone. This is Uncle Frank, and I am not a financial advisor, nor is any of the content to be construed as financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. Well, no one else is going to report on it, so I guess I will. Archer Aviation today announced that its Midnight aircraft successfully completed its highest altitude flight to date, reaching altitudes of 7,000 feet. The flight took off from Archer's test facility in Salinas, California, and represents the latest milestone in Midnight's envelope expansion testing program. This flight marked one in a series of upcoming aircraft performance test flights designed to test and showcase Midnight's operational range. The achievement follows last month's record-setting flight in which Midnight covered approximately 55 miles in 31 minutes at speeds exceeding 126 miles per hour. Uncle Frank would add that the CFO from United Airlines was there to witness that. Together, these accomplishments underscore the aircraft's readiness as Archer advances toward FAA certification in the U.S. and near-term commercialization in the UAE. Yesterday, Cantor Fitzgerald reaffirmed its overweight rating on Archer with a $13 price target, and Insider Monkey says Archer is one of the 15 best robotic stocks to buy under $20. And here's some happy news. Brad Garlinghouse got married. Again, good for you, Brad. I feel so lucky for so many reasons, and marrying Tara this past weekend takes the cake. This chapter of life is so much sweeter with you. Guys, I gotta tell you, this was some shindig. Nina Dobrev, Zac Efron, and Miles Teller party at crypto billionaire's lavish south of France nuptials with the no-expense-spared weekend featuring Chris Martin as the wedding singer. A lavish resort in the south of France, a VIP guest list, and a serenading from Coldplay's Chris Martin ensured crypto billionaire Brad Garlinghouse's wedding was certainly one to remember. The Ripple Labs CEO, who is 54 and has an estimated net worth of $10 billion, celebrated his wedding to his dietitian bride, Tara Milstein, at the iconic Hotel du Cap Eden Rock on Saturday. All this talk about lavish weddings reminds me of when Adam Aaron flew off to Spain for his son's fancy nuptials, immediately following the news coming out on the CEO getting blackmailed and catfished. There's the happy couple on the right. Memories. It's all forgotten now, right, Adam? You got away with it all. And did you guys know Sarah Ferguson, the Duchess of York, has been fired from a children's hospice after it was revealed she called Jeffrey Epstein her supreme friend in emails just 7 weeks after denouncing him as a pedophile. On topic, Senate Republicans defeated an effort that would release the Epstein files the very same day Charlie Kirk was killed. So proud to be an American these days. NVIDIA boss Wang touts OpenAI deal as biggest AI infrastructure project ever. NVIDIA stock jumped on Monday after the chip giant announced a $100 billion deal with Chat GPT maker OpenAI. The indexes didn't do jack today. The VIX crawled back over 16, and gold hit a fresh record high as investors eye further rate cuts. I've got 3781.20. Now, before the news came out on NVIDIA today, guess what Kenny Griffin did? Billionaire Ken Griffin sells Tesla stock and buys an artificial intelligence stock up 1,100% since 2023. Hint, it's not Palantir. Billionaire Ken Griffin runs the most successful hedge fund in history as measured by net gain since inception, and he recently sold Tesla and bought NVIDIA. Kenny, how do you always know? And Michael Saylor says short sellers deployed bots to bash MSTR. Hey, Mike, welcome to the club. How you like it so far? To avoid trial, a short seller puts his hopes on Trump. Andrew Left tries golf and TV appearances to get noticed. Going to prison is a real risk for Andrew Left. Every day, he thinks the Trump administration wouldn't want him to be there. The short seller, known for his feisty Citron research reports and trades, including shorting GameStop during the January 2021 meme stock trading frenzy, is accused by prosecutors of exploiting his fame to manipulate stocks for quick profits. He is looking for a way to sway the administration to drop the criminal case prosecutors filed against him last year. If he's convicted on the 18 counts of securities fraud he faces, a court could sentence him to years behind bars. He has pleaded not guilty. Left's hopes have been stoked by President Trump's role as absolver of last resort for defendants and convicts complaining they were unfairly prosecuted, issuing a number of white-collar pardons and commutations. Yeah, this guy's trial was delayed under Biden until November of this year, I think. If any of us did half of what this guy's accused of, we'd already be under the jail. It's like Christmas in September for my gold and silver bugs. Gold hit a record and silver's at a 14-year high. This Wall Street bank says 2 other commodities will join the party. Citigroup strategists told clients in a note that they are bullish on those precious metals as well as 2 others. Quote, "We see the gold and silver bull market broadening and eventually shifting into copper and aluminum during 2026, driven by the prospect of new dovish Fed leadership by May-June 2026 and related lower U.S. real estate rates and downward pressure on the dollar," wrote a team led by Maximilian Layton, global head of Commodities. And a baby beaver was rescued at 1 day old and became BFF with the woman who saved her. Come on, guys. From now on, I'm ending the show with some happy news. It can't be all doom and gloom. Hey, I want to thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button after this slide if you enjoyed the presentation. Subscribe to the channel and set the alert so you're notified when I have new information to share. See you at the bell.